Okay, we are looking at a flower from my lemon tree. And see, here are the male parts, and you can see the pollen falling off as I tap it. And that's what we can put on the slide. And if you had a lily, this same kind of thing would be what you would see sticking out of the lily, so you could do the same exact thing. And then, look, you can see the white are the petals, and then out here, this green is the sepal. And then this is the scalpel that comes in your dissection kit. And I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'm just going to very carefully slice that in half so I can see the cross section.
Let's just peel it.
Okay, so here's our dissection, and we now can see the inside of the ovary because these flowers are expiring and they're already fertilized. And so now the new organism is growing in there. Yay. And that is a citrus fruit with fruits inside of it. That's the new stage. So if you look really carefully, it's easier to see with your phone than with your naked eye. Here, can you turn this light a little bit? Can you see the developing seeds in there? You can already see them. So this is just a baby little lemon, and there we go. See those seeds in there developing? And there you can see the mesocarp and the endosperm in there. And this is the style that comes off the ovary. And yeah, take a picture of this, and this is your dissection. Okay, now we're going to make the mount of the pollen, and we're just going to pick up what we can and shake it on the slide. Anything that falls off is going to be pollen. And even though our naked eye might not be able to see very much of it, we will then mount it on the pocket slide. Okay. So now you're going to take one of the micro pipettes, and you're gonna get some water, just a little drop, a tiny drop, and then we can hardly even see our pollen grains, but we're just gonna float a drop in the center of the slide, and then we'll put the cover slip on. So you grab that little tissue paper. See, the cover slip came in this little box, and here in there are these very tiny pieces of glass. And now you want to put it vertical and then tip it from one side to the other so we don't get, here, not straight flat, yeah, one side to the other, like you're putting a screen on your cell phone. Because an air bubble will look super cool in the microscope, but it won't be what you're wanting to look at. So now we have created our slide. Okay, so now we're taking our pocket scope.
Here?
Yep, and you're just gonna drop it down on there. And now you're gonna turn the light on, which is on the side. And then this grooved knob is the macro. So you want to turn that till you can see something. And then after you can see something but it's blurry, you'll turn the upper dial, which is smooth, to get a fine focus.